Constable Chucky Brown found guilty on 3 counts of murder.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Police Constable Collis Chucky Brown has been found guilty on 3 counts of murder. The verdict was handed down on Thursday afternoon, November 15, in the Home Circuit Court. Brown was also found guilty on 1 count of wounding with intent and conspiracy to commit murder. A 6-member jury returned the guilty verdict nearly 4 hours after they retired on the instructions of High Court Judge Justice Vivian Harris. The jurors were on Monday, November 12th, told to carefully weigh whether the indicted policeman was induced by the Independent Commission of Investigations (INDICOM) to offer up self-incriminating evidence. Brown had detailed the activities of the so-called death squad that he said murdered criminal suspects while carrying out orders of a senior superintendent of police. The 16-member death squad operated out of Clarendon between 2009 and 2012, during which time they reportedly carried out several extrajudicial killings in their bid to reduce crime in the parish, this according to Brown. Thursday's rulings are as follows. For the murder of Damoy Gotti Dawkins on January 10, 2009, guilty. For the murder of Dwayne Douglas on December 13, 2012, guilty. For the murder of Andrew Ferran on December 13, 2012, guilty. For wounding with intent of a Crown witness on January 10, 2009, guilty. For conspiracy to commit murder, guilty. This now is a timeline of Chucky Brown in front of the courts. January 10, 2009. Damoy Gotti Dawkins fatally shot on the Palmer's Cross Main Road in Clarendon. January 21, 2009. Autopsy performed on Dawkins. December 13, 2012. Dwayne Murderous Douglas and Andrew Sugar Ferran shot and killed along the Swansea Main Road in Clarendon. December 24, 2012. Autopsy carried out on Douglas and Ferran. Sometime in 2013, Brown spoke to human rights organization. Brown spoke to a former high-ranking Jamaica Constabulary Force officer days after visiting a human rights organization. On August 6, 2013, the Independent Commission of Investigations (INDICOM) conducted an uncautioned interview with Brown at a hotel in Mandeville, Manchester. August 10, 2013, INDICOM conducted a cautioned interview with Brown at its head office in St. Andrew. On September 29, 2013, Brown signed a 92-page transcript of the August 10, 2013 INDICOM interview while at a hotel in Clarendon. The signing of the document was also recorded. On January 14, 2014, Brown was arrested and charged. On January 18, 2014, Brown allegedly gave a letter to INDICOM Assistant Commissioner Hamish Campbell addressed to a high-ranking police officer while in custody at Up Park Camp in St. Andrew. On March 15, 2017, Brown and co-accused Corporal Rohan Morrison, freed of the murder of Fabian Dinal and wounding with intent charges in relation to another man during a February 2010 incident in Maypen, Clarendon. On October 3 of this year, prosecution's first witness testified that he saw Brown firing shots at Dawkins along the Palmer's Cross Main Road in Clarendon on the day of the incident. On October 3rd, during cross-examination by defense attorney Norman Godfrey, it was revealed that the first witness gave a statement to the police days after the Palmer's Cross incident. On October 8, doctor who performed autopsy on Dawkins testified that the deceased received 3 gunshot wounds. On October 9, INDICOM Assistant Commissioner Hamish Campbell testified that in the interview the oversight body conducted with Brown on August 6, 2013, he admitted to being part of a police squad involved in the shooting and killing of people. On October 10, Campbell said Brown told him that a senior officer within the Jamaica Constabulary Force supplied him and other members of the Special Police Squad with resources to carry out extrajudicial killings. On October 11, Campbell rejected the defense suggestion that Indicom offered his client asylum in exchange for information. On October 24, video and audio recordings from the August 16, 2013 interview Indicom conducted with Brown was played for the jury. On October 25th, audio recording of the August 10, 2013 interview played to the jury. On October 29, Indicom investigator testified that Brown was supplied with an audio recording device. On October 30, the Crown's final witness testified that Police Constable Brown identified one of his dons as a well-known contractor from Manchester. On the 2nd of November, defense attorneys made unsuccessful no-case submission in relation to 2 of the 5-count indictment. On November 5, Brown gave unsworn statement in court, saying he was carrying out instructions of his superiors. On November the 5th, defense calls character witness to the stand. On November the 6th, the defense called a former high-ranking police officer to the stand, who gave testimony on Brown's character. Between November the 6th and the 7th, the prosecution made closing arguments saying Brown committed the alleged murders on his own free will. Between November the 7th and 8th, the defense made closing arguments, insisting that Indicom held out an offer to Brown and turned its back on him when he was unable to deliver incriminating evidence on his superiors and colleagues. On November the 9th, 12th and 15th, the trial judge presented summation of evidence. The jury retires to consider their verdict.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.